Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Firebase App Check for UI abuse protection. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Firebase App Check for UI abuse protection, begin by logging into your Firebase console. Select your project from the dashboard. Navigate to the App Check section in the left-hand menu. Click on Get Started if you haven't enabled App Check yet. Choose the platform for which you want to set up App Check, such as iOS or Android. Follow the instructions provided for adding the necessary dependencies to your project. For iOS, add the Firebase App Check pod to your pod file. For Android, update your build.gradle file with the required dependencies. Next, enable the desired App Check providers for your application. You can select Physical Device Attestation for Android or Device Check for iOS as options. After selecting your provider, click the Enable button to proceed. Once enabled, you will need to implement App Check in your code. For Android, initialize App Check in your application class. For iOS, configure App Check in your app delegate. Now, integrate the App Check token retrieval process into your app. For Android, use appcheck.getToken method to retrieve the token. For iOS, use appcheck.shared.getToken to achieve the same. Implement error handling to manage token retrieval failures. Make sure to test App Check integration to ensure it is functioning correctly. In your Firebase console, monitor the App Check dashboard for any analytics and insights. Lastly, consider extending App Check protection to your backend services if applicable. This process will help safeguard your application against UI abuse effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.